Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan Crate. This is one of their Umai Crate subscription boxes. You can go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, there's all sorts of neat ramen-related stuff in here, a couple extras, and yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see when you crack open one of these boxes is this pamphlet here. As you can see, this is the September 2022 Umai Crate. Inside you get lots of info all about everything that's in this box. So if you don't want to be up the creek without a paddle because you don't know what you got or what to do or anything like that, you don't want to lose this. So don't lose it. And you also get a recipe card. Alright, so we're just going to go through everything and I'll tell you a little bit about it. Alright, so here we have some Seaweed Ochazuki. And I've never heard of this before, but alright, so you take a bowl with some rice, put this on it, and then pour some hot water on it. And no, it's not ramen, but it's a Japanese comfort food. So I've never heard of this, but we'll have to check it out. Next, we've got this package that they're calling Versatile Harusame, and basically it's a Japanese vermicelli, and I'm going to guess that this is relevant to the recipe card, so you can DIY something up at home. And next up, one that's been a staple of these boxes for a while, this is Father Tanuki's Special Spicy Tonkatsu, and this is really good stuff, don't get me wrong. They rely on this one an awful lot, and it's good, so it's worth a try. And this is a Mishio Kawamura variety. This is a sesame shoyu variety. I know I've had this, so there's probably going to be a picture of it coming up. It's been a while if I have not had, you know what I mean. I don't think I've had this in a while, but I see these Mishio Kawamura varieties very often in Umai crates. And next up from Itomen, we've got a seafood and vegetable dashi shoyu. There's a pretty wide range of these varieties. I've seen a couple in Umai crates before, and they're really good. I'm excited. This one I'll probably just have for maybe on a Sunday morning sometime. Yeah, really good stuff. And then here we've got a little Japanese side dish. This is a red bean infused rice. It says in here how to cook it. I haven't gone that far yet, but it looks like it's microwavable for 2 minutes. They've been including some little cups of rice and stuff, and they've all been good. I had an octopus one the other day, a vegetable one. Yeah, good stuff. I'll be hitting this one up soon. And then we've got one of these, I think the company is Toei, Toei, and this is one of their non-cup varieties. Basically, the noodle block is round, and it's what you would kind of expect to see in a cup format. This one's a Japanese soba, so I don't know, we'll see. It's probably buckwheat noodle. Yeah, we'll check it out. And then from Kishimen, we have a boiled and stirred udon. These aren't bad. There have been a lot of these lately, and yeah, there's the udon and then there's the Kishimen. The company's called Kishimen, but that's also the name of a style of udon. They're more like broad and flat. Yeah, I think I've had this one. I'm not sure. And finally from Itomen, we have the wild vegetable soba, and this one has a lot of sea vegetables. Yeah, I've seen this one quite a bit recently, and it's not bad. Alright, so in the September 2022 Umai Crate, you get wild vegetable, Father Tanuki, sesame shoyu, udon, harusame, ochazuki, red bean rice, a really good one, non-cup, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, well, if you want to get one of these, head on over to japancrate.com. Use that coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, you'll be glad you did. They're pretty neat boxes. So, with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.